This quick video is about how to get deleted messages back on iPhone. Okay, make sure you turn on your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Okay, if you accidentally deleted your text messages, now you want to recover that message means you can do that even if you didn't turn on iCloud. Yeah, there is a sync option which was turned on as a default settings. So now we are going to use that. Just minimize this and open settings app and click here. Now open iCloud. Now scroll down, then you can see this option messages. Now just turn off this sync toggle button. Yeah, now you will see this option disable and download messages. Now we are going to download the messages. Just tap that. Now again turn on that. Now minimize this and open message app. Yes, now you can clearly see my deleted messages was recovered. Just like that. Yeah, for this process you need to turn on your mobile data or Wi-Fi. Suppose if on first attempt if you didn't get deleted text message means, again go to messages, turn off this and tap disable and download messages and turn on again. Then again came here and check those deleted text message was get back on iPhone messages. Yeah, this is how you can get deleted text messages back on iPhone. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.